Good morning, grade 6, and we are already in the last chapter or unit for your first term. So today is September 2, 2021. So volume here, page 109. So yesterday I asked you to draw this one and what's the meaning of volume. So I want to ask two students what is the meaning of volume. Ni Papon, what is meaning of volume? Ni Papon?
Rectangular shape in geometry. It is a three-dimensional shape that consists of 6 quadrilaterals.
Okay, it is composed of 6 quadrilaterals. So where is the 6 here? Where is the 6 quadrilaterals, or where is the six faces? For example, here we have one. Here in front of that there is a square here because there is what we call a line here. Okay, a line here. Okay. Yes, like that, no? Like that, for example, that is not perfect. So this is number 1, number 2 here, number 3 here, this is number 4, down here, down, 4, 5, the side, and the 6 is the side. Okay, so down here, this one, the color blue here, this side, down here, and the top, down here, and the top here, right? The side over there, here, the side here, and this side. So that is 6. So 6 faces. Now 6 faces. So that is what we call a cuboid. And this one, our lesson here is just to find first, to find the volume. Okay, how many cubic centimeter? How many cubic centimeter of water, of liquid that we can put it there? Okay, so that is centimeter cube, or what we call centimeter cube, or meter, cubic centimeter, or cubic meter. So volume should have 3 up here. Okay, remember that one, 3 up there, that is volume. So cubic, how to read that one? Cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeter, cubic meters, like that. Nah? So here, so let's go to page 110. 110. So we have example here. Find this one is in your grade 5. Find the volume of the cube below. So I can still remember that I teach this one in your grade 5, and some of you are very confused of this one. No? So here, to find the volume, that is very easy. Very easy, no? To find the volume of a cuboid, that should be length times the width times the height. The question here, where is the length? Where is the width? Where is the height? In your new book, the word width, they use here BREADHT, or breadth, no? So that is still the same. So I am going to use width because that is so familiar. Okay, now we can see here length. What is length? Okay, yao, no? So that is very easy. So this is the length here. Okay, the length here. The length. This is the width. What is width? What is width? Kwang. Kwang, siya may kwang. Right? Kwang. And the height? Kwamsung. Okay. Kwamsung, the height. Now, to find that one, it should be length times width times height. Okay. Now, the question here, number 1. Why the given here is only 6 meters. Why we have 6 centimeters? No, that is meter. It should be centimeters. Not that the drawing is wrong. The M is wrong. It should be centimeters or M, but I think they are wrong. Yeah. So why only 6? Why only 6? You can see there. You can see a cuboid. Can I download here? Let me see if I can download the square cuboid. Okay. Okay. For example, here I will put it down here na. Okay. For example, Matansya is ngong already. Okay. Here, this is the cuboid, right? That's the cuboid. The same in the drawing. It says there is 6 centimeters. That's wrong na. It should be 6 centimeters. From here to here, Natanitsa is 6. I hope I can put a good line. 6 centimeters na. May siya 6 meters. That is wrong. Look at the solution. It's centimeters, not meters. Now, listen to me. Why the volume of a cube is 6 times 6 times 6? Why? Why?
Because it's equal.
Because it is equal.
Oh, it's equal.
How did you know that is equal?
It's a square.
Very good. It's a
Yeah.
square. The face is a square. Meaning, if you can remember a square, all of the sides are equal. Kaudzai.
Yes.
The length, the height, and
The
width. So meaning, from here to here is 6 centimeters. This one here to here is 6 centimeters. So this one is the height, this one is the length, this one is the width, right? Or this one could be the length and this could be the width because they are the same, right? No, they are the same. So again, why 6 times 6 times 6? Because the faces are squares. Now square. And all the sides of square is equal. That's why it's very easy. That's why they put only 6 there. Only one number, because all the sides are equal. เท่ากันเลย ใช่ไหม? So if it is not equal, meaning that is not a square. Am I right, Natanitsa? It is not a square if the sides are not equal. Kaudzai, no? Very easy to understand. Now, let's go to the lesson. Find number 2. Number 2 is very easy. You know what? This lesson is very easy. Very easy, but very easy. The basic one is very easy, but I think in word problem, it's like a little bit of confusing, no? Because you are grade 6 already. Now here, find the volume of the cuboid below. So, natanit siya in number 2 na page 110. Tell me how many meters is the length. Actually, it's not meters, it's centimeters. Look at they have many wrong. See? It's centimeters. Look at the multiplication there. 10 times 4 times 6. So it's centimeters na, may say meters. Okay. Wait for a while. 10 times 4 is 40. 40 times 6. 40 times 6, how, Laila? 40 times 6.
20.
40 times 6 is 0. 6 times 4, 24. Chai, 240. So that is centimeter cube. So meaning, the 10 there is centimeters. May say meter na. Okay. Now, tell me, Natanitsa, which one is the length? What is the number of the length? Length ความยาว
six, six,
Six
six,
เหรอ
six.
ฮะไม่ใช่ page 110 นะ page 110
In the workbook or the
โอ้โห textbook
textbook?
we are not using the workbook now we are just in the first page like first lesson introduction เลย I will make it work right away
Number 2 ใช่ไหม teacher?
number 2
6M.
the length
10 เนอะ
oh the 10
อ้าวเหรอ
10 centimeters ความยาวไงยาว the 6 there natanit siya is the 6 centimeters no it's wrong no it's the book is they put M but look at everybody look at the multiplication the example explanation 240 it means it's everything is centimeters na everything is centimeters but I think they have mistake here okay how about the width ความยาวอะไรนะกว้าง 4 no 4 centimeters so this is 4 6 6 6 10 10 10 here also 10 like that this one is 6 here this one is 4 here เข้าใจนะ so that is the the lesson for today so this is 10 again 10 centimeters the width is 4 centimeters กว้าง and the height is 6 centimeters can I ask natanit siya ja what is your height
My height เหรอ
yes
146
อุ้ยทีเซอร์โอ้โห I also have 47 นะ
oh it's okay you know what you are growing teacher Juvin is just 163 so almost there no 40 and 60 it's 20 more oh hoy
Teacher I only 147 นะ
saying so it's only 20
Teacher,
plus.
what is your height, teacher?
My
Again,
God.
please.
Okay, so here the volume of the cuboid is equal to length times the width times the height. Now everybody these are small. Okay, everybody they use B there. Letter B, no? Or breathe. No? Please do not be confused. If you can see the breathe, that is the width. กว้างใช่ไหมกว้างใช่ไหมเนาะกว้างใช่ไหมกว้าง
ความกว้าง
that one length times width times height so 10 times 4 times 6 so that is very easy Nadine volume 10 times the width times the height so volume 10 times 4 is 40 times 6 that is 240
240
do not forget because this is not a Carabao okay cubic centimeter everyone cubic centimeter okay now let's go to the next lesson here okay page 100 letter A what is letter A here finding one dimension
of a cuboid
dimension of a cuboid. Are you confused or not? Because before that is the basic of cuboid of volume. Are you confused, guys? No, very easy, no? Very easy, na? Very easy, na? Just find the what? Just find the length, width, and
dimension
dimension. Okay. I hope everybody understands me. Okay na? No more questions na? No questions. Natanit siya, Nadid. Noy, no questions na? Boys, no questions. Okay, so if you don't have a question, I have a question. Are you afraid of that one? If I don't have, are
I'm
you
very
afraid of,
afraid of the
are you
question.
afraid of, are you afraid of,
Yes.
like, if you are you
What's
afraid
it?
of, if you don't have a question, I have a question.
Yes,
What
I'm afraid
question?
of that question. I
Okay,
think it's harsh.
here. So, natanit siya. I have a question for you. What is this here?
length
Length. Good.
length
Nadid, what is this here?
length
Very good. Okay na? Do not be confused na. Sometimes I put it up there. Sometimes I will put it down here. Sometimes I will put it here. This one here. Na, if you can see, I will put color red. This one, if you can see this one, that is the length also. This is the length also. Okay? Kaudzai. Na? Do not forget. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is, those are length. Understand? Do not be confused. Okay? I will erase. Now, next, I will go to Karunrat Let Surya Chada. May sonjay le. Okay. Karunrat, this question is for you. What is this here from here to here?
width
With. Very good na. With. Where are the widths here? This one. This one. Okay, I will erase. I will use color red so that you can see. This one, or this one. Okay, those are width. Okay, and the height. Where's the height? The height is this. Height, 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 and height. Okay, so we have 4. Everything is 4. Now, as I have said, no, ni Papon read a while ago that there are 6 faces. So we can see the 6 faces here. We have 1 here, 2, 3. Okay, wait for a while. I cannot see the last one. Okay, this one now. 1. This one down here. Okay, that one. 2 up here. 3, 4, 5, and this one is the number 6. 1. Okay, so 6 faces. So that's why that is a cuboid. Okay, here. To find the volume of cuboid, we need to know its length, breadth, or width, and the height. Now, for example here, to find the length of the cuboid, the question is the length. To find the length, we need to take the volume and divide by its breadth and width. For example, the length is question here, but the volume is given. For example, the volume is 240 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Okay? The width is given. The height is given. There is a number. The question here, the length. What is the formula of that? The formula of that, everyone, is to get the length. Everybody write this one. To get the length, the formula here is length is equal to volume of the cuboid over the width times the height, or shorten one, V, volume over base or breadth, or let's say width times the height. Okay na? Width times the height. That is very important. The volume is given. The volume is given. The cubic centimeter is given. But the question here, how to find the length? Do not forget this one. Volume over or divided by width times the height. Okay. Next, what if we will find the width? The width is the question mark here. To find the width, okay, to find the width, so that is, and the volume is given. Width is equal to volume of the cuboid over length times the height. Length times the height. To find the width, volume divided by length times height. And the last one, if the question here is the height, the question mark is height, to find the height, and the volume is given. So H is equal to height of the cuboid is equal to volume over length times the width. Okay, everybody remember that one, write that one in your notes. Write that one in your notes. Are you done writing?
Yes, I done writing.
You can remember na, it's very easy. Volume times length times height, volume over the W times height, volume over length times width. The over there is a fraction, no? Like a fraction or division. Now, let's go to the example here. Now, example number 1. We will use this one. Let's use this one. Let's use this. Okay, example number 1. Example number 1 is, question mark. What's the question mark here? Example 1. Example 1 is?
Length question mark.
Okay, very good.
Length.
Find the length. The question mark here is length. Now, we have 6 centimeters of the width. Is this width? No? And the height is 4 centimeters. Okay, na centimeters. cm or centimeters. Okay, how to find that one? Length is equal to volume over width times height. Okay, that one is how you find the question, the length. Now, you need to read first. The volume of the cuboid is 336 cubic centimeter. So the volume here is 336 cubic centimeter. Its breadth or width is 6 centimeters and its height is 4 centimeters. Find the length of the cuboid. 1. So again, we will follow here. L is equal to 336 over 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 is?
24.
6 times 4?
24.
24. So we divide 336 divided by 24. Divided by 24, 1, 24. So minus that 1 becomes 2, becomes 13, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 96. So 96 divided by 24.
4.
4. So exact number is 4. It's no point at all. 4 times 24 is 96. So 96 minus 96 is 0. So your answer would be, the length is equal to
14.
14 what?
14 cm cuboid centimeter.
like cuboid centimeter.
See, centimeter siya.
Centimeter only. That is not a volume. No cubic. Look at that one, only the volume. When we multiply length times width times height, that's the answer. You have cubic already. Okay? But if we will find length, width, and height, the answer would be centimeters, meters, or inch only. No cubic. Understand na? No cubic at all. That is not the volume. We find the length. Understand, Mai? Ni Papon? Okay. So next one. Page 112. Page 112. Page 112. Example 2. So that is very easy, no? Very easy to understand. Okay, here. The same drawing. Okay, here. What is the question number 2? Example 2. I want somebody to read. Natanit siya. I want to hear natanit siya again. Because natanit siya becomes kunying again. Page 112.
The volume of the cuboid ใช่ไหมอ่ะ
Yes, cuboid.
Cuboid is 480 cm. Is
Cubic centimeter.
cubic centimeter. Its length is 16 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. Find the breadth of the cuboid.
Okay, the question here is the width or the breadth, no? Again, everyone, if we will use the breadth, or that is what we call the width. Okay, width. Okay. Now, it's very easy. It's given. The length is 16. I will put the length here. No, do not be confused. That is still the same up there and here. And the height is 5 centimeters. 5 here. Am I right, Natanica? 5. And the width is the question mark. Okay. And the volume is, what's the volume, everyone? The given is, volume is equal to 480 cubic centimeters. Okay, na? Then, to find the width is equal to volume divided by length times the height. Length times the height. Okay. So what is the volume here? Volume is equal to, W is equal to 480. The volume here is 1. The length is 16 times, what is the height? 5. So
4 is
5 first. 16 times 5 first.
80.
80. Is that right, Tatanitsa? 16 times 5, that is 30. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 80. So 80. 480. Okay, 480 divided by 80. So let's divide. I don't want calculator. 480 divided by 80 is, we can remove the 0 ko dai. We add 0 later. Ay, you are confused again. May 480 divided by 80. Answer please.
6.
6. 6 times 0. 0. 6 times 8.
48.
48. 6 times 8 na? 80 times 6. 0. 6 times 8. 48. Chay may natanit siya. Minus 0, 0, 0. So the answer here, the width is 6 align.
6 centimeters.
Okay, 6 centimeters only, no cubic na. May cubic, no cubic centimeters. So the answer there is the width is 6 centimeters. So this one is 6 centimeters. Okay? Correct. To check that one, Atanisha, you multiply 16 times 5 times 6. It should be 480. Okay? Everyone? Understand? Okay na? So let's go to example number 3. Example number 3. Okay, example number 3. I want Quezon to read example number 3 with the accent. Like the volume of the cuboid is 864. 1, 2, 3, go.
The volume of the cuboid is 864
Cubic,
cuboid
cubic.
cubic centimeters. Its length is 12 centimeters and its breadth is 9 centimeters. Find the height of the cuboid. Cuboid. Yes.
Find the height of the cuboid. So here, this is, the length here is 12 centimeters. That's the length. The height is question mark. Height is question mark. Height. And the width or the breadth is 9 centimeters. Okay? 1. Find the height. Find the height. ความสูงเท่าไหร่อย่างนี้ Okay, now. So what will happen here, Natanisha? What's the volume? You write the volume first. Volume is equal to 864 cubic centimeters. Now, how to get the height? Very easy. Height is equal to volume over length times the width. Okay, very easy, no? Very easy. Very easy. Height is equal to volume length times the width. Now, let's follow here. The volume, everyone, the volume here, 864. 864 over what is the length? 12. What is the width? Is 9. So that is 8 is equal to. So 12 times 9. 81. 108. So 108. 864 divided by 108. Now, here. So 864. Can we divide 864 divided by 108? I think it's 8.
8.
Not 8. I think 8. 8 times 8? 8 times 8?
64.
36.
Wait na. Anikon, you are confused. 8 times 8?
84.
Huh?
36.
64.
8 times 8?
64.
64, teacher.
4.
64.
4 here. You put the 6 here. Carry 6. Shamay? Then next. 8 times 0. 0. Ano tanit siya? 8 times 0? Natanit siya? 0. Bring down the 6. 8 times 1?
8.
Okay, 8. 864. 0, 0, 0. Meaning the height is equal to 8 centimeters. Now, in your notebook, I will just give the example. I will give like this. For you to practice, I will give okay, in your notebook, everyone, tomorrow I will not give work, it's Friday, because Quezon and Nipapon are not here. Tomorrow, for sure. Jaripon, I don't know where's Jaripon going. Okay, number one, everyone, number one. Number one, you draw. Can you color like this?
Yes.
Yes, I can color. Already so that
Okay,
6
number
spaces.
one. The volume is 192 cubic centimeter. Now, I will not put where is the length. I will not put, but you draw. Now you put here.
Do in notebook, right?
Length, yes, do in the notebook. You put the number na. You put the number. You put the number. I will just give the numbers here. Okay, for example, everyone, look at this one, everyone. Find the length. L. Find the L. Question mark L. This is example first. Example na. Do not write this one. For example, L. Width is 6. Width is 4. Sorry. 4. Height is 6. For example, I give this one. Your answer in the notebook, listen to me. Your answer to your notebook, you put here. Now you draw. So that I will know. Do you know? I will know that you know the places of where is the width, where is the length, where is the height. For example, here, this is the height. So you put 6 here. Okay, in your notebook na. Here, the width. For example, this is the width. You put 4 here. And the length here is question mark. Understand? You put centimeters, centimeters, centimeters. Okay? So the question number 1. Question number 1 is this one, 192. No? So find the L. Question mark L. The width is 4. The height is 6. Okay. Question number 2. The same drawing. You draw again. For number 2. Okay. The volume is, for number 2, the volume is 336 cubic centimeters. The length here is 12. Question mark here is the width. And the height is 7 centimeters. Again, you need to draw it again for number 1, for number 2, and for number 3. Number 3 question, the last question. You draw again for number 3. Draw it again for number 3. Okay. Find the volume is equal to 315 cubic meters. Cubic meters na. The length is equal to 9. The width is equal to 5 meters na. And the height, question mark, is the height. Okay? That is your work for this weekend or tomorrow or tonight. Up to you. Yes.
Number 3 will answer in centimeters or meters.
Meters nga. Do. Meter.
Do the same with centimeter, right?
No, not centimeter. You answer the meter.
Can I look number one?
Do like do
The
like.
same process, but only you change the meters only. Same,
Can I look?
the same everything. Only the M there. Only the meters is not the same. You put M here later na. You put M. Okay. Ano, yang diyaw. Only this one. Only like this. M. But this
Number
way,
one.
multiply. Divide like that. The same like. For example, here, oh, that is here na, that is 315 over 9 times 5. Yangi. Na? So the same process. Okay? So you can start to draw. Everyone, I want you to draw like this and color. Please choose your color. Like this na, different color here, different, and here, different. Every number, number 1 is different color with number 2, different color with number 3, so that we can see it clearly. Do you understand? Oy.
Yes.
Yes.
Na, different color with number 1, number 2, and number 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions, please?
No.
No questions at all? No. Let's check if someone is here. We have
Teacher.
yes.
Can any color ใช่ไหม
Chai. 3 colors na. 3 colors in one number. 3 colors in number 1. 3 colors in number 2. 3 colors in number 3. Like that. Okay, we have 3 different color. 1, 2, 3. Orange, blue, and yellow. Like that. So number 2, another color again. Okay, so we have Quezon here. Natanin siya ni Papon. Dari po Nadid, Apia, Karonrat, Narisa, Patira, Yarinda, Sirasit, Onrawin, Datchaton, Jiraphat, Tanyarat, Warinton, and Jirawat, Prumok. Okay, no more here, no? So I think Quezon and Nipapon cannot attend tomorrow. So please tell Teacher Priya, Quezon, and Nipapon.
Already tell.
Already tell.